Hello my friends and welcome back. I'm coming on to do a layout for the Not Just for Boys kit club, and I'm going to be using the new page kit called Honeycomb, which is so darn cute. So a couple things to show you. I do have doubles of the paper, so this is a quick view of the front and the back, but I do have a complete unboxing on my channel if you want to see in detail all of the pretty and good things. So we have that. Oh, it has this great alpha set, which, come to think of it, let's go ahead and get this opened up so I can use it when the time comes. Although I don't know what my title is yet, but it'll be great. Okay, we have that. Oh, I also, handy dandy, I have the new stamp set. I'm thinking about just doing a little bit of stamping around this cut file. We'll talk about that in just a moment. I've got all of these fancy pants, gorgeous little die cut pieces. So we have that. Anything else to show you? Oh, and if we're really feeling it in a little bit, I have Honeycomb Essentials here. The yellowy tone right here, it's from this part of the Honeycomb Essentials, this Ivory Coast Nouveau. The polka dots are from this Deco Art Metallics in Rose Gold. I did that in my first video this month because I had a lot of this Nouveau crackle paste left over on this packaging that I had, and I just splat all over this using the packaging technique, and then I went in with some splatters with that gorgeous rose gold and put it aside. Now when I sit down to create, I'm like, oh my gosh, there was this cut file I wanted to use, which looks just like this adorable honeycomb. So I'm like, let me see if this mixed media goodness will let me do this through it. Guys, look at how cute that is. Guys, I can totally keep these for something else, and I'm going to, because I have a thing for hexies. I love the shape. It might be my very favorite shape. Love my hexie punches. I love hexie cardstock cuts. I love hexie stamps. Blah, 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 blah. Love the hexies. I know it's supposed to be kind of like a honeycomb, but we all know it's a hexie. Okay, let me put my Cricut mat aside. Now, I have this. I also have these two photos that I need to trim out. This is my son and his girlfriend, and then this is my daughter and the girlfriend. They went on a trip together recently, and I thought it was pretty darn fab. Now what I want to do is decide what piece of paper, and I will trim this down, I want to have go behind this. And my first thought is a wood grain, partially because wood grain makes me very, very happy. Now within that wood grain, wouldn't it be fun if I want to just see what all of them look like. So cute, but not the same kind of punch. I think I want to go ahead and, I don't know. I love the wood grain. I might just leave it alone. Oh my gosh. Okay. Love the wood grain. We're staying with the wood grain. I am also thinking about doing a secondary mat, and I wanted to see how I feel about it. Okay. Guys, I don't know. Okay. I think I'll do wood grain and a secondary mat like this. Okay, that's exactly what I'm going to do, and then I can gut it, cut out some of my cute little queen bees, and we will go from there. Now, I also have the choice, oh, but wait, if I wanted to do this as a secondary mat. No, I like the mauve better. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, get this matted down, trim out my photos that need a little bit of trimming action, and I'll meet you right back here. Oh wait, before I do that, wanted to tell you, see this hexie right here? It's an outline. I think it is fab. What I'm gonna do is go into my Distress Oxides and see if I have a color that's a nice light yellow. I think it's called Scattered Straw. And I'm going to just go ahead and stamp on the outside randomly of just a few of these hexies to give it just a little bit more of a something. I'm going to just go ahead and put a bit of a stamping pad beneath here. I did grab that Scattered Straw because it's a little bit more mild of a color. And I'm going to just do a nice little simple outline on a couple of them. I'll hold it down a bit, pull it up, and it's just something on there. I think that's super, super cute. I'm going to keep doing that. Might end up on all of them. I really like it. And I'll be right back. Alrighty, Roo. I have my background matted, and I'm rather smitten with it. I am. Now I want to go ahead and mat my photos. I know I wanted to have 3 of these queen bees out, so I went ahead and cut them out really quickly. I'm going to mat my photo in this piece, and I think these 2. So I have a little contrast from the background. It's going to be so pretty. Look at that little layering. Ah, pretty, pretty. Now, do I want to? Here's the thing. I can do it in the wood grain, but I think I have enough wood grain. Is there ever enough wood grain? No. But I'm trying to resist because I have lots of it in the background. So at this point, guys, I've got my photos attached down. I've cut out my cute little bees. I came up with a nice cheesy title, Bee-You-Tiful, because, you know, kind of felt like going there. And I need to get a couple little clusters going. So this can go in the title cluster. I think this will be here. Pretty much I want a visual triangle because, you know, that's what we do. Now, let's see. I do have the Honeycomb Essentials, so let me take a look at them really quick. Now, the yellow crackle paste, I believe, is from the Honeycomb Essentials, so we're good there. And then I used the Hexie stamp. I don't need to use this Hexie stencil, but let's take a look at these pieces right here. I think they're really cute. First of all, guys, there are charms with bees and honeycombs. Like, I don't think anything's cuter. And let's see, there's all of these cute little envelopes. So, thinking that we can have something. Oh my goodness. Look at your little bee coming out of the envelope. Okay, I'm using a few of these cute little envelopes as parts of my clusters because I love them. You can see beneath them, but they totally add something. All right, so darned cute. All right, so we've got little envelopes for our embellishment cluster starters. I will put these cuties out of the way. Now, I also have these gorgeous, gorgeous arrows that I'd like to include. 3 arrows, 3 clusters. That is all good. Okay, so let's look at these little guys. Now, these are super cool because you can totally decide which color you want to go into what. But my theory is these are super cute. Love them as is. So we'll just go with it. And this one's a little bit more dramatic with the black and the mirrored. Okay, so we've got that. I can put cute little bumblebees, charms in each of the clusters. All of that's great. What I want to do next, and I'll pop off the camera to do it, I'm going to start like faffing about. Guys, this can take me forever going, oh, where do I want this one? Oh, this one's so beautiful. Or Bee-You-Tiful if you want to be cheesy like me. Oh, I like that because you can kind of see under. So I'm going to faff about, get my clusters built up, pop my title on, and I'll meet you right back here. So I've got my clusters going. I do want to add in some of these metallic bees because they're the cutest ever. And I was looking at this, and what I think I really want to do as well, so I need to get a little dot of my Nouveau Crackle, the same nice golden yellow here. And I want to just paint in my little bee wings to give them a little bit of sheen. They need a little something, something. So I'm going to do that in a moment, but I think it's time to get some of these gorgeous little metallic touches in. I mean, they add like the coolest little something, something. Just hanging down. It's super cute. So I'm going to get those on there, paint the little wings, and I think this may be done. And I'll be able to come back and show you my finished layout. So I just wanted to show you, I put a little tiny dab of my Nouveau Crackle Mousse down on some packaging, and I'm just going to add a little bit of water to it. So it's not, you know, I want to be able to see through it. I need to see their cute little wing markings. But when it dries, we're going to get a nice little golden shimmer to it. Let me do the other one, and I will show you what I mean. It's not going to be a big deal, but it's just one of those touches that we like. And I can also show you the little metal bits. I think I'm also going to grab just these little metallic sequins that are in the a la carte section. I think they would add a little something to these clusters, but Yep, my little wings just have a little tiny bit of a golden shimmer to them. Super cute. So I might as well go ahead and show you this layout. I'm just going to add a couple sequins in a moment. And then this layout will be done. I'm going to have still shots to follow. And then I will also have, look at how cute those glassine bags are. I'm also going to have all the links down below for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club, so you can get your hands on the kits, get inspired from the blog, and then go over to the Facebook group and show us what you've done with all of these goodies. Okay guys, still shots to follow, and I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now.